Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video it's gonna be an unboxing. I'm gonna be showing you what I'm gonna be doing real soon and the products and equipment that I'm gonna be using. Let's begin. Here we go, let's get started. I'll show you what's in the box in a bit. I want to give thanks to Matt Smith right there. That's his information to his website, Flake or Die. There you go guys. Kind enough to get all these products from him. Let's start with this crushed glass. This is real nice in the sun. I will be using this real soon. And this is the biggest size of crushed glass that he has, and this is the smallest size of crushed glass that he has right there. So he does have some pearls also. This is Emerald City Pearl, and he got this one also, and this is Crimson Flash Ghost Pearl right there. He does carry a bunch of aerosol can sprays. This is clear coat, and he's got a bunch of different kind of this is gold brick flake. This is metal flake in a sprayable can, guys, if you want to try it out. I did try it out in a sample. Let me show you right there. I have not sprayed clear on it. It's just the regular metal flake. So once you clear it, it'll look real nice. This is what's inside in this box. This is a gold brick. But he's got some a bunch of different type of flakes that you can be using. This is Black Magic right there. And some more pearls. There you go. And some more flake. This is the same as the one that's in this can, but what's in this box, it's gonna be the flake gun. This is a gun that's made by Flake King, and Flake or Die also sells it, and this is to shoot the flake, dry flake. This gun will allow you to shoot the dry flake without any inner coat clear or clear coat, and we'll be trying it. Real nice right there. This is for the airbrush, or you can also use it with this gun. It does come with a regulator and all the tips that you're gonna need. Now this setup right here is called the Flake King 1000. That's this setup with this box and everything. They do have a smaller one that you can get, and it's called the Flake King 500. This is the bigger kit that they have. This is like for full-size cars, boats, motorcycles. They do have another one, like I mentioned, that it's a smaller version of this, which it's for smaller projects, but this is gonna work fine as to what I'm gonna be using it for. I'm sorry, but I think it's called the smaller one is called Flake King 550. I'm sorry, I said 500. The Flake King 550. That's a smaller version of this one. Real soon I'll be using this hood, this metal hood, well, hood design, to be doing some lowrider graphics, and I'm gonna be applying the metal flake with this gun. I'm gonna show you step by step how to set it up, how to do it, and what you need to do to apply dry flake. That's going to be coming real soon. I also have another project. Let me show you what it is. It's a guitar. I'm also going to show you how to paint it, how to customize it, and make it your own personal guitar. I'm going to be doing that also. Now this guitar came from Vibe Works Guitars. I'm going to leave all the information also. You can get something like this, or you can customize it yourself, It comes with everything. All the hardware is right there. The neck is right there. So everything that's you would need, it's included. And this is it. That's what's gonna be coming up in future videos, guys. I hope you subscribe to the channel. Hope you hit that little thumbs up. And there's more to come. Thank you. I'm gonna leave all the information to the Flake King gun, the Flake or Die products in the description below. Also to that guitar and that metal hood if you want to get something like that. Thank you. Stay safe. And like always, God bless.